Hey guys, welcome back to Always Austin. And as you guys can see, it's time for Kylie to get a new hairstyle. Okay, yes, and baby, I was feeling these plaits. They lasted us a good little minute. She was able to put it in a bun, a ponytail, all that. I said, okay, girl. Kylie's not the only person in my chair today. So is little man Coop, big man Coop, okay? And baby, he hates to get his hair done, brushed, combed, looked at, whatever. He gonna automatically start crying. So we had to get him all washed up today though, regardless. So I'm just gonna, honey, try to calm this hair out as much as I can before we get to the wash bowl so he won't be acting a fool and hooping and hollering. Look at him, he just be doing too much. Mom, please, mom, boy, go. Okay, so y'all know I'm back with my shampoo buddy. Yeah. Now I read some of y'all comments where y'all said I should turn it the other way. And I was like, baby, that's how it's pictured, okay? I wanna look back at the picture, so that's how they be using it. What they talking about? But I did see one mom do wash her daughter's hair and it was facing the opposite direction. So I think we're gonna give that a try the next time just to see the comfort level of it. But I mean, he did pretty good with this, and this is our first time using the shampoo buddy with Cooper Man. So yeah, y'all see at first he was kind of like, what's going on, what is this? But then he got real comfortable. Now I gotta get him a little iPhone stand so he can watch his little shows while I'm doing his hair, honey. And look, yeah, okay, cool. My baby gonna have him a man bun in a minute, y'all. No, he ain't. Y'all don't like the man buns, but he gonna keep his little fade and little curly top at a good little length though. I am using Reagan's Sinai products on his hair. You already know. And baby, we gotta catch y'all up on content. I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all know. Kylie had like 2-3 hairstyles since this video, and I'm gonna do better. I promise I'm gonna do better. But your girl be tagged, and I be having to film and edit it. But we gonna get it together. And I am going in with that leave-in detangler, baby. That works wonders. It works wonders, baby. He don't even be crying when I come and when I put that on there. So I love that. I wanted to show y'all how I've been using the Nairobi edge control compared to when I took down those plaits in the past. And I used edge booster, and it was just so filthy and gray and just disgusted. I had to use a clarifying shampoo to get it squeaky clean. Look at her, like her hair is not like full of lint, gray, and dried out from the Nairobi. So we rocking with Nairobi, okay? We rocking with Nairobi because Nairobi is rocking with us. But yeah, so y'all already know how we do our wash day process. Baby, y'all see I big girl got tired. I had to scoot that chair. I got my little bench from my kitchen. Baby, I scooted on up to the sink. I said, hold on now. I need some help. I need some help, baby. I was tired. But anyway, y'all already know we get the hair fully drenched. I go through, section her hair off, and make sure I'm scrubbing from root to stem, baby, root to stem, okay? We're going from the root all the way to the end of her hair, okay? And I make sure I scratch her scalp as well because, like I said, I do, base her hair. Well, I try not to grease it with the Nairobi or with the edge booster or whatever kind of edge control I'm using. But, I mean, you got to make sure your scalp is clean. So, yeah, I just make sure I scratch it really, really good, get it really, really nice and clean. And I wash her hair maybe 2 to 3 times, depending on how I feel. I think this was a 2-day, okay? So, this is our first little lather, and we rinsing it out. Yeah, look at my girl. Okay, and I'm using Shea Moisture on her hair. Get it, Kylie? Yeah, look like my baby got some length. It's gonna be down her back. Watch, I'm gonna grow it down her back. But baby, after that wash day for both of them, I was tapped out. So my girl had to rock her bun to school for about 2 days until she was just couldn't take it no more. Mom, please, she got off that bus. Mom, please do my hair today. Girl, you don't go on. So y'all already know I'm giving me a little wet little rag, baby. This is just a regular rag, okay? A regular diggler schmeggler rag. And I'm just wiping off the little Nairobi that I put on there, the edge booster, and we struggle with this hairstyle, okay? So, but y'all see, this is what we're going for, and this is how I got it sectioned off, okay? This is what we got it sectioned off to. Now, I be trying to let my baby, express herself and give me ideas for her hair, but I am so over it. I don't know why I started that. Oh my God. When I tell you it took us forever to come up with the hairstyle, it took us forever to come up with the hairstyle, honey. And she didn't even want to do this one. Let's talk about that. She didn't even like it at the end. But baby, y'all know she kept it up. She kept it up. I don't, you just want to keep getting knotless braids down your back. First of all, I'm not letting them be too far down your back. You want to try every time we get some, you want to try to get them an inch or two longer. No. and you just want to put a little heart in your head every time. Just a little heart on the side with some knotless braids. I am sick of that. No, 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 no. I just remember an easier time when I was doing her hair when she was little, and it was just, you know, I can pick up, put her little 2 puffs, braid it up in 2 puffs, braid up in 1 puff, braid it up in a bun, had her back down with the top braided up. And she didn't care. She used to be like, oh, mine looks so pretty. But I done started letting Miss Thing get on Pinterest and find her some hairstyles. And honey, she doing too much. Baby, you on the 8. And we gonna get these hairstyles and be cute. But I mean, it's just a thin line, because then I be feeling bad, like, well, it's her head, she kind of want to do what she want to do with it, but no, ma'am, whatever. Sometimes I have to just be like, because I said so, okay, because I said so. But this is what we're working with, y'all. Okay, look at us, look at us. Yeah, y'all see, I love a little scalp braid. I don't know what it is about gripping the hair from the scalp. It lasts a little longer. And this is what we finished with. And as you guys can see, she did not like it. She said she looked like a little girl. Ain't nobody stunned her, baby. I said, baby, this cute. Okay, I did that, honey. And it was neat. It was a few days old when I took the video, but they still was cute. And I said, look, you got your 2 ponytails right there. Look, she got an attitude. Don't nobody care. Get it from this camera, girl. I don't care. She mostly wore it in one with the ponytail covering up the design in the back. But baby, I didn't care, because I still said it was cute. And thank y'all for watching our video. New hairstyle coming.